Well, I was so fortunate and privileged to be addressed by Tito Frank as his tokayo. And also to be called Tito Frank by his children, especially Vanya and Abby. Kasi hindi naman nila pwedeng tawaging Frank si Tito Frank. They simply called him Dad. Well, me and my wife, Lou, we joined the community in 1995 in Jakarta, Indonesia. Pero it took some time for us to be close to Tito Frank and Tita Jerry. It was only when we served the community in Geneva, Switzerland, na taon-taon nagkikita kami at least once a year because they always join the regional European conference. So we travel to several countries every year for the European conference. But the most important connection that we have is through our daughter Francesca. For almost 12 years, hindi kami nakaanak. And Tito Frank and Tita Jerry helped us a lot. And also Vanya, who prayed and even went to Lourdes to pray that we will have our daughter Francesca. I think that was in the summer of 2003 that Vanya visited us in Geneva, and she went to Lourdes to pray that we will have our daughter Francesca. And true enough, Francesca, our daughter, was born in September 23rd of 2003. Vanya wanted to call her Bernadette because of Saint Bernadette, no, Lourdes. But then my wife preferred to call him Francesca. And another, of course, a second name, Maria, in honor of Mama Mary. And it was a coincidence because September 23 is also the birthday of Padre Pio, whose name is Francesco. So, nagiging coincidence, although it was not planned, but it was really because my wife wanted to name her after me, Frank. Kaya Francesca. So we became very close to each other in the community and even, privately in our personal lives. So Tito Frank, thank you very much for the friendship. Thank you for the service. Thank you for always reminding us that to live is Christ and to die is gain. You really fought the good fight and you run a good race, and now you're certain to earn the great prize, the crowning glory of our Lord Jesus Christ. We hope to see you someday once again, but not so soon. Because we also need to run a good race. And I intend to run the marathon.
Yes.
So by God's grace and mercy, baka matagalan pa. So, Tito Frank, once again, thank you. And rest well in love, in God's loving embrace.